Hello, welcome back to this week's vlog. It might be the only video that I put out this weekend because ahead of the big Easter opening at the Fulcrum Centre, Holdenby House, get on holdenby.com. Jackie and I have gone away to Wales. Look at this. We're up in the Sugarloaf Mountain area. Gavin is not far away if you sort of want a land point. Absolutely stunning. So it's Jackie's birthday this week. So we've gone away just to get a couple of nights, 4 nights, just to chill out and relax before it all kicks off big time next weekend and all the work goes back to normal. Lots going on for the summer, but look at that. Look at that. Anyway, where we live in Northamptonshire, it's incredibly flat. It's not flat like the Fenlands, but it's not really hilly in Northamptonshire, only bits and bobs here and there. So we've come up here. Oh, you can't see the van now. The van's sort of dumped down there. Nearly killed us both. Not used to it. Calf muscles weren't very happy at all. Anyway, we'll get a few little snippets of our trip to Wales. For now, enjoy the rest of the video. More hill for me. We're quite lucky because we get skylarks where we live and also on the estate where we work, really. This is just like perfect skylark habitat. Obviously the bracken and everything else is only just sort of creeping back into life at this time of year up here. But it is just full of skylark song, and everywhere you tread there seems to be skylarks lifting off into the air. It's really beautiful. And up there, Jackie said to me just now, she said, should we go out there? Not today. Not today. I'll have a ruddy heart attack. As you guys know, when you're in sort of a really spectacular landscape, I don't know what Jackie's mumbling about, there's nothing you can do with a photo or a film what can even do it justice at all. But it sure is pretty here. Nice fresh air, but sadly not enough sunshine for me to look for adders or anything like that today. We are in Wales. Something we don't get where we live are these wild garlic onion thinkers. Now there's some lovely birds and things, but look at that, all like that. Look at it all down there. We don't get that where we live. And it absolutely reeks of garlic or onions. So here where it's been crushed, or when you tread on it, really, really strong. Just coming into flower, those little white flowers. Just started up now. I always say it, don't I? But out in the countryside, it's where to clear your head. Get some good headspace. We've got the sound of water. We've got birds singing all around us. And just look at the green. How verdant that is. Loads of plants in the spring are yellow. The green and the yellow really stands out. absolutely lovely. I'm heading that way. Look at this accessible decking. There's some stunning marshland. It really is full of wood anemones like these beauties. Have a look at these. It's a beautiful sign of spring. Look at these. Loads of marsh marigolds or king cups. Not exactly where we are now. But look at this decking. Brilliant idea. Because instead of sinking it on stakes and things that are going to, posts that are going to rot to hold it up, it's actually supported on tyres. So firstly, they're not going to rot. They're keeping the wood off the soggy ground. And secondly, of course, there's a tyre mountain throughout the world. Tyres are completely sort of, so indestructible really, although they are recycled for some things. What a great thing to use. It's almost like a floating decking in the swampland. Great. There's a sign of spring in the marshes. Beautiful. Beautiful speckled wood. Shield bug. Where's it going to settle? You don't notice very often. A female brimstone. Males are lovely yellow spring butterflies. Jackson's Bay, this is called. Absolutely gorgeous. All this Gavin and Stacey stuff's alright, but to be honest, fish and chips is better. Surely that's volcanic rock. Ancient lava flows, I imagine, looking at the formation of it down there. Look at that. Dandelions. One of the biggest sort of weeds to us. Full of insects and bees as we walked along, drinking the nectar and getting pollen, I guess. Look at that. That one there. That was in a pot outside your back door. People just say, that's a beautiful flower, isn't it? We're funny things as humans, aren't we? We're all guilty of it, or certainly I am. We sort of dig these up and get rid of them, and then plant some yellow or orange flowers there instead. Crazy stuff. back off a few nights away, and thankfully the yellowtail crebo didn't lay her eggs when I was away. Always a risk if you're not here, they could lay them in somewhere too hot, especially in this case, sometimes even in the water bowl. But she is really gravid. I think she might go through another shed cycle before she does lay. But look at that beautiful yellowtail crebo she's hiding around there. Hopefully, big fingers crossed, in a few months we'll have some really stunning yellowtail babies. Emily's managed to get some stock in, so her studio, still plenty to do. There's some great stuff available. Look at this. I think we need to have words with her. That's like pence for that. Look at that. What an outstanding picture. Amazing stuff. And this is even crocheted the jam jar covers. Some people are just way too talented. That one, there's all the birds here at Icarus Falconry. So if you're watching this on Sunday, you've still got tomorrow, Monday, to come to Icarus Falconry, holdenby.com, to see some fantastic stuff. So it's Saturday, we're here right now. Look at the blossom on the avenue, it looks great. We're here right now, getting everything ready. A real good mate, an ex-volunteer of Icarus Falconry, is up there mowing the lawns for me again, bless him. We've got the crew from Area, the local Northamptonshire reptile, amphibian and arachnid group here. They're going to set up and do some great stuff on Monday. If you like your snakes and reptiles, creepy crawlers, Monday's the day to come anyway. So if you can get here tomorrow, Easter Monday, you're going to be in for a massive treat. holdenby.com, tickets and information. And in there, talking to Jackie, in there is Pete and his wife Karen, in Emily's little shed. There they are. They're in there. Now Pete is free bird of reason, so if you're really into Harris hawks or you're fascinated by Harris hawks or you want to get into Harris's hawks, go on YouTube, free bird of reason, go right back to the beginning and follow Pete's story with his Harris hawk. He's a proper guy with Harris hawks. So kind of, I'm just looking at an amazing bee fly hovering down there. I don't think you're going to see it. Look at that. I don't think you'll see it. Free bird of reason. He is mad keen on his hooks. He started, with his first bird, and that's what he's stuck with. So get on there, YouTube, free bird of reason, because he'll take you on the journey of someone with their first Harris hawk, pitfalls and all. It'll really help you understand what goes into keeping those birds. But for now, get here on Easter Monday. These guys will be here tomorrow, so you won't see those, but the place is looking great, and there's so much to do. Remember, Monday's a day for your snakes and your creepy crawlers, as well as some great falconry displays and all our amazing wildlife. See you soon.